I cannot believe the European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde just said this about their digital euro CBDC. In order to calm the nerves and questions people have about the potential corrupt nature behind their CBDC, as a tool to benefit the ultra wealthy and leave us high and dry, she responded by saying that it is and of service to all citizens, but that it is modelled on the Chinese CBDCs. Take a listen.
Many people are a little worried about what will happen to them with the digital euro. Can you encourage them? Why is the digital euro good for people like you and me?
A digital currency where it has been piloted, and there is only one which is clearly now launched in a very small country, but it is piloted on a fairly large scale in China, is of use and of service to all citizens. So it is not something that is good for the elite, or is good for the young, or is good for some versus others. If it is well done and if it is well implemented, it would be of service to all citizens.
Now that is, to me, absolutely nuts, and I don't know if that's going to have the exact effect she thinks it's going to have, liking their CBDCs to the ones being used in China already. Something is going to raise major red flags. Be that as it may, it is quite funny actually thinking about it, with the United States and pretty much the rest of the world now opting out of creating CBDCs and shifting in favour for the stablecoin option. Why does the European Union remain so adamant that this is the right way to do things? And that got me thinking, maybe, the leveraging of expertise and help from a third party is why they are so confident. Maybe Ripple and XRP is the reason why Christine Lagarde and the ECB are so adamant that, CBDCs are the right thing to do. We already know that XRP is a part of the Digital Euro Association. And actually XRP is the biggest cryptocurrency, biggest asset that is compliant with their MiCA regulations. And better still, a version of the digital euro is available right now on the XRP ledger. Not to mention that Ripple actually have connections with the likes of the BRICS Alliance, namely China as well, in helping them create a new digital financial system, conducting pilot programs with them. Ripple also has a regulatory license with the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, so maybe Christine Lagarde is hinting at something bigger here. One thing she does say is that if the CBDCs are done well, then it will be used as a tool to easily accommodate and service all citizens. But isn't that exactly what the XRP ledger is already? Meant for institutions, but it's already being used by retail and can easily accommodate all with its institutional and banking partnerships and enterprise applications with smart contracts. Did Christine Lagarde therefore just indirectly admit that their CBDC will be successful and look out for everyone because it will leverage the XRP ledger? XRP, Ripple, XRP ledger, they are everywhere. Within China, within Europe, within America, they are everywhere. The adoption of the XRP ledger, furthermore, is starting to really ramp up. With Mercado Bitcoin, the leading digital asset platform in Latin America, announcing plans to tokenize more than $200 million in permissioned real-world assets, including fixed income and equity income instruments on the XRP ledger. Huge news, and off the back of this bullish announcement and the increasing market sentiment from investors, the bullish nature incoming, XRP is currently valued at $2.26, up roughly 1.98% on the daily time frame, and the smart money, the whales, are betting big on an imminent XRP rally. Two hyper liquid whales have just opened up over $2 million in 20x long positions. At the $2.24 entry point for XRP, we're already up 2 cents from there right now. They are betting big on XRP. And we are seeing the acceleration of this space, of XRP. Is kicking into overdrive. The digital euro is heating up more so now with this big announcement as well. The ECB are aiming to launch their CBDC within the next year or so, and openly drawing lessons from China, from XRP, on how they should be doing it. So what will this mean for XRP and its price? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And if you don't want to miss out on much more to come, the opportunities, then come on more here in the VIP, wop.com/coinfactory. From Alpha Institutional Research documents, learn what smart money is saying to their clients, allowing us to get ahead of the retail market, educational courses, trade alerts, weekly live streams, and so much more. Check it all out. 7-day free trial, link down below in the description. And as always, don't look short term, think long term. And I'll see you in the next one.